a group of Irish-born men gathered in Williamsburg and started this society, the Friendly Sons of St. Patrick. And they wrote a constitution limiting our number to 50, requiring that you be a United States citizen, and stipulating that none but gentlemen need apply. And so for 149 years, we've gathered here. There are two stipulations to the society. One, we have to conduct friendly social intercourse among the members, and number two, we must commemorate and celebrate the anniversary of St. Patrick. That's what we are doing tonight for the 149th time. We, the Friendly Sons of St. Patrick in Brooklyn, Thomas Alberto, Kevin Brooks, Robert Bell, stand up, please. Where do I stand up? Stephen Burnett, John Burns, Kevin Byrne. A little slow there, fellas. Our president, Albert Cleary, Michael Corcoran, our vice president, Jack Carroll, Dennis Casey, Joseph Callahan, Michael Callahan, Reverend Michael Callahan, Ryan D'Ambrosi, the Honorable Mark Dwyer, James Farrell, the Reverend John Farrell, Douglas Gallagher, John Gallagher, the Honorable Bernard Graham, Robert Harley, Alan Kramer, Thomas Miskell, Thomas Meany, Cormac McHenry, Kevin McGovern, Michael McKenna, Thomas McMahon, Hank McManus, Michael Nielsen, Charles O'Neill, Lawrence Quigley, Robert Rogers, James Ryan, Michael Salavara, Brian Smith, Timothy Thompson, Edward Wilson, Declan Walsh, and our chaplain, Father Daniel Murphy.
The champagne's on your table, and so please, be a little assertive and pour yourself a glass. Even in the back, you can pour the glass.
We taste it.
Very good. Awesome. Where's the teleprompter? Are we all set?
We cheated.
Yes.
It tastes
To Patrick.
Somebody said
Patrick.
the grandfather.
Very apropos to Pete Cannon.
Someplace else, but he just got accepted just before.
All right, that's nice. Nice to see guys from the Real Irishmen.
Participating. It really makes for a great evening. Thank you very much for being here. Several people made my task a lot easier this year, and I'd like to very quickly thank them for that. The first is our current president, Al Cleary.
There is Al. He's over here somewhere.
Despite the fact that he has the big title, Al sweats the details, and he really puts a lot of effort into this, and it's very much appreciated. So thank you, Al. The society is also very fortunate, as you witnessed earlier, to have a couple of members that actually have some musical talent. So I want to thank Bob Harley for his terrific songs. And I also want to thank the man who arranged for the music this evening and led us in the anthems. He really stays in touch with the Irish music scene. His wife was telling me he's been regularly appearing on almost a weekly basis with a bunch of performers here in New York, and it shows. Kevin Brooks, thank you. And the last person I'd like to thank, you've already heard from tonight. You probably learned a lot more about St. Patrick than you figured you were going to learn when you, I know I certainly did, than when you decided to come to the dinner, but we didn't catch that part. That's for next year. Save the suspense. But as any of the members will tell you, Jim Ryan has a very active role in society, and that encompasses a great many activities. I hope somebody's going to say something about it tonight, but we have a series of speakers planned to commemorate the 150th anniversary, and really some very exciting presentations. And Jim not only spearheads that effort, but he actually manages to solicit support in the membership and find people to take ideas and run with them and make these things really happen. So for your counsel on things like hosting the dinner, Jim, thank you, but also for all the things you do for society. They are very happy.
And I said, you can eat, but you must entertain us. Anyway, Congressman Joe Crowley is going to honor us with the song. And I hope I didn't use the wrong word because we haven't heard it yet. But we're going to, will you start? We're doing Star of the County Down.
I found my way here. Was it easy? Really? It was hard. So I just sing to myself. That's what Jim told me. In Pembridge Town in the county down one morning last July, pouring green came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet from her two-bed feet to the sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing up, so I shook myself for to see I was really there. From Bantry Bay, the dairy came, I'm going to Dublin town. Made us sing like the fair Colleen, and I led the county down. As I hung with Spencer, I scratched my head, and I looked with the feeling red. And as says I to a passerby, he was the maid with the nut brown hair. He smiled at me, and he says he, that the jail of Ireland's crown. Young Rosie McCann from the banks of the Bash, the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay and the dairy came, from going to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the fair Colleen, and a man of the county down. She was surely there, and I just in my Sunday clothes, with my shoes shone bright and my hat cocked right, with a smile on my nut brown rose. No pipe, no smoke, no host, all I yoked to my brow was a rust-colored brown. With a smiling bride by my own fireside, to the star of the county down. From Bantry Bay and the dairy came, I'm going to Dublin town. No maid I've seen like the fair Colleen, and the man in the county down. From Bantry Bay and the dairy came, I'm going to Dublin town. I've seen like the fair Colleen.